Hi guys, welcome to my new Blender video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to use subdivision surface. Let's get started. So after open Blender, click General and select this light, cube and camera, delete, and go to Add, Mesh and select Monkey, for example. Then select this object and click Move tool. Let's move to up. Okay. Then click this icon and go to click modifier icon. Let's click here and let's use subdivision surface. Then go to label viewport. Let's change this 5 and render change 5. Okay, good. Let's go to here and enable cavity. Okay, good. This is very simple and easy. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.